In the previous lesson, we showed the steps to create a new interval of time for time-dependent data, and actually we modified the value of a cost center, the cost center assigned to one of our master records of fixed assets. So now the question might be, okay, but how can I have access to the detail of uh, all the fields in their different interval periods? And truth be told, this is actually pretty easy because we just have to use the same app as we would for a normal change. This is the display asset app. So let's show the steps. So well, of course, we need to enter the ID of the asset and our company code. With this, let's just continue and ask for the master data for this fixed asset. It's the photocopier. But well, actually, you probably remember that this was a time-dependent change. So let's switch to time-dependent. Right now, the system is showing the data for the current interval. Remember we had that change in the first day of October. So right now it's the system is just showing the current data. But we can even because it's in the future, but we can even check that right now using the more intervals. We can change the new value. So let's click on more intervals, and well, as you can see, we now have the full spectrum of data and the change here with the cost center. Now, what's important is that, of course, we know that there will be an impact in the posting of the depreciation, for example, starting from like November. We will have the depreciation costs that one will be posted to this second cost center. But well, then again, right now what we can just say is that we will always have the access to the history of the values that are time dependent, for example, using these time intervals and this transaction, of course, this application. So well, we can just finish the lesson. We can just quit the app. And with this, we are finishing.